Hi, welcome to Andhra University School of Distance Education. University released admission notification for AY23 batch, that is July 2023 to June 2024 batch for online programs, complete online programs. That means exams also in online mode. From anywhere, student can appear exams. Now, let us see how to submit our application for these online programs. If you type URL www.andhrauniversity.edu.in, then Andhra University main homepage appears like this. So, in this page, on the left side, just scroll down. You will find SDE, that is School of Distance Education Online Admissions 23-24. Click it. Then it takes automatically you to the admissions School of Distance Education online programs admission page. So there you will find undergraduate courses, postgraduate courses, and also apprenticeship embedded degree programs. If you click on any program, it will redirect you to that particular program page. In that page, you will find complete course details about program as well as the number of papers, fee structures, everything you can find on that page. From this batch onwards, Andhra University introduced degree with apprenticeship. It is just like earn while you learn. Along with your studies, you can also earn on your own. Apprenticeship training program will be provided immediately after the confirmation of the admission. So, university will take care of providing you opportunities. It is in your hometown or nearby city or any other place in a good company. So, during your studies, simultaneously you are getting job experience, which will be very much useful to your career. Along with that, you will get a stipend. So, very good opportunity introduced by Andhra University for the distance mode students. In the first step, this opportunity was provided for few programs like BA, BCom, MCom, MA Political Science, and MA Economics. Students can attend online exams either on the desktop, laptop, or even on mobile from anywhere. No need to apply a leave. Simultaneously, along with your job, you can appear the exams. Normally, exams time morning to evening. So any 2 hours duration. So it's a very simple way. Even you can submit the assignments online, projects online. If there is any practicals, it will be online. We all know future is the era of digital universities. So entry to exit completely online. So be ready to enjoy and get the benefits of online courses offered by Andhra University. Last date for admissions 31st August 23. Andhra University is offering these online programs with affordable fee structure, and fees is almost same as ODL, Open and Distance Learning Programs fees. So be prepared and join immediately. Thank you.